Hi. Some say that veganism or vegans are extreme. I disagree. What is extreme is how we treat animals for pleasure and instant taste and no necessity today. Castrating, branding, drugging, debeaking. Did I say castrating? Force breeding. Caging in tiny cages the size of a file drawer in many cases for the egg industry. Factory farming, fish farms, animal cruelty and slaughter. Some of these actually make hunting seem nice. Now, no vegan activist has ever harmed anyone. We don't bomb women's clinics. We don't do other acts that harm people. I've been in the movement for many years. No one has ever been killed by a vegan as far as I understand. Actually, a lot of violence is directed towards us. At a rodeo protest, boycotting or protesting baby calf roping and mutton busting in Houston, Texas, I was assaulted by someone. I've had rocks thrown at me and other attacks. Again, nothing phases me. I think of them as cowards. So it's no big deal to me. I can take it. I have vegan burnt and branded into my arm. Scarification. So my point is, what is extreme? Is extreme us voicing our opinion and speaking up for those who are being terrorized and tortured to death for no good reason today in factory farms and fish farms and the fur industry? Or is it extreme what they are doing to animals? Again, I'm not going to show you anything graphic here, but I would advise you to look up a factory farm video. These are norms. Again, drugging, castrating, mutilating, force breeding, debeaking, tail and ear docking, and many other things that go on. Live transport in all weather extremes with no water even, sometimes long distance. So put yourself in their shoes and see who's extreme. As an animal rights activist, I promote just simply leaving animals alone or not using them for profits or for my pleasure. I'm not abusing them. I don't believe in abusing them. If we're not helping them, we should simply leave them alone. If that is extreme, then I am extreme. Once Gandhi and MLK were considered extreme, so that's fine with me. Be vegan. Thank you for caring. Please look up a factory farm video and share it. Vegan is the future. Join the movement for human and animal rights. They're all connected. Veganism reduces world hunger drastically. Most of our food and crops feed force-bred animals at only 1 pound of meat or cooked flesh for every 15 pounds of crops we feed animals. It's very wasteful if not subsidized by our government. Meat would be much more expensive, as it should be. Most poor countries eat less meat. It's destroying our healthcare system, massive food waste, and destroying our environment, as well as terrorizing billions of mammals that suffer just like us. Please look up a factory farm video and share it. If that is extreme to you, caring about others, respect and compassion, then I'm extreme and you are normal. So go breastfeed from a cow and drink its bodily fluids. Go eat their cooked corpses. Stop paying hitmen to terrorize animals for you. That is what is extreme, not me speaking out and leaving them alone. Thanks for caring. Please share.